Okay, I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to use Office Lens. So I've just opened up the app. Bottom of the screen, make sure you've chosen document, because it's going to be looking for text then and it's going to read it correctly. So you hold it up until you see all of your page. Don't worry about the red box because you can change that around after, but just make sure you can see the whole page on your phone before you take the photo. So bottom left hand corner says add new. Click that button, then you say you go to the next page. All right, I'm going to take photo of this one as well. Okay, so once you selected add new, then it just assumes you want to keep going with different pages until you're done. So we'll just keep taking pictures. Okay, so I've taken 4, that's all my work. Press the arrow to the right that says 4 on it, bottom right hand corner. So that basically means you're finished taking photos. Now what you've been asked to do now is, what do you want to edit out in the pages? So yes, I do. I just want to get rid of some of the bits that I don't need. And so that looks way better than the original one. Swipe to the right, look at the next page. Not too bad, but I'll just tidy it up a little bit. Next page, again, sometimes I might miss some of the stuff like on the corner here on the right. So I need to move it to make sure I can see all that. And then this one is not great. So again, we just need to rejig that a small bit, just making sure that whatever your work has, all your work has been captured. So I'm happy enough that I've recorded all that. That's my 4 things kind of tidied up. I press done. It asks me what my title is. So if you want to name it as chain rule or whatever you want, but make sure that you have PDF selected and make sure that you know where this is going to be saved. So mine is going to phone storage, but if you click into it, it'll ask you to change save location and off you go. Click save. It immediately comes up here, top left hand corner. So if you go into those 3 little dots, sometimes it can be hard to locate these files. So if you shared with me immediately, click share. And then it's giving you a choice basically of how you want to share it with me. All right. So then you select, for example, if you want to send it to me via email, click Outlook, click OneNote, click Teams, whatever way you want to share it. All right. So we'll just, for example, select Outlook, and it'll load up the file, and I'm just going to type in my own email address. Okay, and then click send, and that is me sorted. Okay.